Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hi, how is it going?
Good. What can I get you?
One latte, please.
Sure. Small or large?
Large, please.
Got it. Anything else today?
Maybe a chocolate muffin?
We just ran out, actually.
Oh, that is okay.
We have blueberry muffins, though.
I'll try a blueberry one.
Great choice. To go?
Yes, to go, please.
That'll be $8.
Can I pay with card?
Of course. Tap right here.
Is the machine working?
Well, try it again.
There we go, it worked.
Perfect. What is your name?
My name is Sam.
Thanks, Sam. Wait over there.
How long is the wait?
Just about 2 minutes.
Do you have sugar?
It is on the table.
Where are the napkins?
Right next to the milk.
Got it, thanks a lot.
You are very welcome.
Is the Wi-Fi free?
Yes. The password is coffee.
Is it all lowercase?
Yes. All one word.
Great, I need to work.
Enjoy your morning.
Sam, your latte is ready.
Oh, that was fast.
Is it too hot?
It is very hot. Careful.
Do you need a sleeve?
Yes, please. My hands.
Here you go. Better?
Much better. Thank you.
Have a nice day, Mia.
You too. See you later.
Wait, did I leave my bag?
Let me check.
It is under the chair.
Ah, I see it now.
Thanks for the help.
No problem at all.
The coffee smells amazing.
It is a fresh roast.
Is it from Brazil?
Actually, it is from Ethiopia.
I love that flavor.
Me too. It is popular.
Excuse me, is this the M15?
Yes, it stops right here.
Is it running late?
Well, it usually is.
How long have you waited?
About 10 minutes so far.
Does it go to Broadway?
Yes, it goes straight there.
Actually, which stop is best?
Get off at 42nd Street.
Is that near the park?
Yes, it is very close.
Is it raining again?
Just a little bit.
Do I need a card?
Yes, or use your phone.
Can I use cash?
No, they do not take cash.
Oh, I see the bus.
Finally, it is very crowded.
Should we wait for another?
No, let's just go.
Watch your step, Sam.
Thanks, it is slippery.
Is there a seat?
No, we have to stand.
Hold on to the yellow bar.
I got it, thanks.
Is the next stop mine?
No, not yet. Relax.
How many stops to go?
About 4 more stops.
Does this bus have Wi-Fi?
No, I do not think so.
Actually, my phone is dying.
That is too bad.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 blocks away.
Is the neighborhood safe?
Yes, it is very quiet.
Wait, is this our stop?
Let me check.
Yes, we need to move.
Excuse me, coming through.
That was a close one.
The doors close fast.
Where is the park now?
It is right across the street.
I see the trees.
It is beautiful tonight.
Do you walk home?
Yes, it is good exercise.
Well, have a safe walk.
Thanks. You too, Sam.
See you at work tomorrow?
Yes, see you then.
Wait, do you have change?
For what?
Nothing, never mind. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Do we need more milk?
Yes, get the green one.
Is that the low-fat one?
Actually, it is whole milk.
Where are the fresh eggs?
They are in aisle 6.
Are these on sale?
Yes, buy one, get one.
That is a great deal.
I know, right?
Do you like these apples?
No, they look a bit soft.
What about the red ones?
Those look much better.
How many should I get?
Get 5 or 6.
We need bread too.
White or wheat?
Wheat is healthier, right?
Yes, let's get wheat.
Is there any butter left?
Well, check the fridge.
I do not see any.
Okay, add it to the list.
Do you want some snacks?
Maybe some salty chips.
The spicy ones are good.
Actually, I prefer plain.
Okay, plain chips it is.
Is the line long?
No, only 2 people.
Great, let's go now.
Wait, I forgot the pasta.
Go fast, I will wait.
Found it. It was hidden.
Nice, ready to pay?
Paper or plastic bags?
Paper, please, it is better.
Do you have a coupon?
Let me look.
I found $1 off.
Every little bit helps.
Is the total correct?
Yes, $25.
Here's my card.
Enter your PIN, please.
Is the receipt in the bag?
Yes, I put it there.
The bags are heavy.
I can carry one.
Thanks, Mia. You are kind.
No problem, Sam.
Should we walk home?
No, let's take a taxi.
Is it too far?
It is starting to rain.
Good point. Let's call one.
I am calling it now.
Are you free this Saturday?
Let me check.
I want to see a movie.
Which one is playing?
That new action film.
Actually, I like comedies.
Well, there is a comedy too.
What time does it start?
It starts at 7.
That works for me.
Should we eat dinner first?
Yes, I am starving.
Do you like pizza?
Who doesn't like pizza?
There is a place nearby.
Is it very expensive?
No, it is quite cheap.
Perfect. I am on a budget.
We can meet at 6.
Where should we meet?
In front of the theater.
Okay, I will be there.
Don't be late this time.
I will try my best.
Is it a long walk?
No, only 5 minutes.
Should I bring anything?
Just your appetite.
What if it rains?
Then we stay inside.
Good idea. See you then.
Wait, what about Sunday?
I am busy on Sunday.
Oh, are you working?
Yes, the whole day.
That sounds very tiring.
It is, but I need money.
I understand. Work hard.
Thanks. Saturday will be fun.
I am looking forward to it.
Me too. See ya.
Wait, can I bring a friend?
Sure. Who is it?
My cousin from Ohio.
The more the merrier.
He's very funny.
That is great to hear.
See you Saturday, Sam.
Okay, bye for now.
Oh, wait, one thing.
Yes? What is it?
Text me the address.
I will send it now.
Got it. Thanks.
No problem. Bye, Mia.
Bye. Have a good night.
You too. Sleep well.
I will. Bye.
Excuse me, I am lost.
Oh, where are you going?
To the public library.
It is nearby.
Is it within walking distance?
Yes, about 10 minutes.
Which way do I go?
Go straight down this street.
Past the big bank?
Yes, turn left there.
Is it on the corner?
Actually, it is behind the park.
I see. Is it far?
No, just 2 blocks.
Wait, left or right?
Turn left at the light.
The one near the cafe?
Yes, exactly.
Is there a sign?
Yes, it is a big building.
What color is it?
It is a gray stone.
Okay, I think I know.
Are you from here?
No, I am just visiting.
Welcome to the city.
Thanks, it is very big.
It can be confusing.
Yes, I am quite confused.
Don't worry, you will find it.
Is there a subway nearby?
Yes, right behind you.
Oh, I did not see.
It is the blue line.
Does it go uptown?
Yes, every 10 minutes.
Perfect, I need that later.
Anything else?
Is there a good cafe?
Well, try the one nearby.
The one on the corner?
Yes, their coffee is great.
Thanks for the tip.
You are very welcome.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Good luck.
Wait, is the library open?
Let me think.
I think it closes late.
Yes, usually around 9.
That is good to know.
Enjoy your book.
I am actually meeting someone.
Oh, how nice.
Well, thanks again.
No problem. Bye.
Bye, take care.
See you around.
See ya.
Bye.
Hi, I have a reservation.
Great. What is your name?
My name is Sam Miller.
Let me see. Ah, yes.
Is the room ready?
Yes, it is all set.
Can I see your ID?
Sure, here it is.
And a credit card, please?
For what?
Just for incidental charges.
Oh, okay, here.
You are in room 402.
Is that on the 4th floor?
Yes, the elevators are there.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 to 10.
Where's the breakfast served?
In the lobby restaurant.
Is there a gym here?
Yes, on the 2nd floor.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
It is your room number.
That is easy to remember.
Do you need help?
With my bags? No thanks.
What time is checkout?
At 11 in the morning.
Can I check out late?
Well, maybe at noon.
Is there a fee?
No, noon is free.
Great. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy.
Wait, where's the pool?
It is on the roof.
Does it have a view?
Yes, it overlooks the ocean.
That sounds amazing.
It is very popular.
Are there towels there?
Yes, plenty of towels.
I will go there now.
Don't forget your key.
Oh, right, the key card.
Here you go, 2 keys.
Is the area safe tonight?
Yes, just stay on Main Street.
Are there many restaurants?
Yes, many within walking distance.
Actually, I am very hungry.
The burger place is great.
Is it open now?
Yes, until midnight.
Perfect. Thanks for everything.
No problem. Have fun.
I will. Bye.
Goodbye, Mr. Miller.
Table for 1, please.
Sure, take any seat.
Can I sit by the window?
Of course, go right ahead.
Can I see a menu?
Here you go. Need water?
Yes, with ice, please.
Coming right up.
What is the special today?
It is the breakfast burrito.
Does it have spicy peppers?
Yes, a little bit spicy.
I will skip that.
How about the pancakes?
Pancakes sound great.
Do you want fruit on top?
Yes, please, strawberries.
You got it. Anything else?
Just some black coffee.
Coming right over.
Is the coffee fresh?
Yes, I just made it.
It smells very good.
Thanks. It is a local blend.
Do you have any cream?
It is in the small pitcher.
Oh, I see it now.
Here are your pancakes.
Wow, they look huge.
They are the best in town.
Can I get more syrup?
Sure, I will bring some.
Actually, can I get bacon?
Crispy or soft bacon?
Crispy, please. Very crispy.
1 side of crispy bacon.
Is everything okay, Sam?
Yes, this is delicious.
Glad you like it.
Can I get the check?
Take your time, no rush.
I have a meeting soon.
Okay, here is the bill.
Is service included?
No, tip is extra.
What is a normal tip?
Usually 15 or 20%.
Okay, I will add that.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
The food was wonderful.
Come back again soon.
I definitely will.
Have a productive meeting.
Thanks, Mia. See you later.
Wait, your umbrella.
Oh, thanks. I keep forgetting.
It is cloudy outside.
Yes, I should be careful.